this is also very nice today. On 25th of April 2025, we have Storgatan 39, and this is the staircase B.
Yeah.
Equity Adjustment Day as well. It's also in Tranås, but this is Jönköping and Jönköping County, Sweden. It's located also on the Östgötabane commuter train lines.
Yeah. But also Tranås, they have better old trains.
Yeah, that's true. But they are much more interesting. The capacity is 3 per hour, the 55 grams, the same as 13962, and has been built by Grubbers probably in 1959 originally. That's the year when the building was constructed. Has been modernized in the early 1990s with the Korean fixtures. It's most likely the early 1990s. So
Yeah.
about 1992.
Yeah.
Because this engine does sound like 91 or early 92 for me.
Yeah.
Like in some residential buildings, like also newly built in 92 in Ruoholahti and others in Helsinki.
Yeah.
They have beautiful tiles between the doors.
Yeah. His split bike was maintained by Norskis.
Oh, oops, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
But I should have known, but we couldn't know.
Yeah.
I do like this house here.
Same here.
But of course it should make a bit the original.
Yeah.
And the ground floor maybe should have been green here, bottom warning.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks so much.
That's